Hello everyone, welcome to Earbuds channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect wireless earbuds to your Android phone. Now the first thing that you have to do is go to the settings of your phone and then go to connections and then go to Bluetooth. Now in here, if you see that the Bluetooth option is turned off, you can just turn it on from here. And then what you have to do is open up the lid of your wireless earbuds, and some earbuds will go to pairing mode once you open up the lid. And now you can just look for the model of your earbuds and try to see if you can see in this list. I don't see it here, so what I'm going to do next is take out both of the earbuds and then look for the earbuds in here. Now in here you can also tap on scan to see if the earbuds will show up in here, and as you can see they are now showing up. Now from here all you need to do is just tap here and then tap on pair, and as you can see here now we are connected. Now some earbuds will also require tapping on them 3 times to go into the pairing mode, so you can just tap on them like this, 1 2 3, and then they will enter the pairing mode and you will be able to connect them. And that is how you can connect your wireless earbuds to your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.